Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about the cybersecurity or your cybersecurity roadmap for 2024. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. To begin your journey into cybersecurity, it is essential to have a fundamental understanding of what cybersecurity is and the basic terms associated with it. Completing, certain courses will provide you with the foundation. However, if you're already familiar with cybersecurity, then you probably could skip some of these knowledge points, if you will. So first we have Comptia A+, and Comptia A+ will help you understand the cutting-edge fundamentals of computer hardware and software. We have the Comptia training course by Professor Messer, right? And then we have the full course by Paul Browning. And then next we have the Comptia Network Plus, and that focuses mainly on networking knowledge. So you'll be able to learn about the internet works in depth, and you'll need to master both Windows and Linux operating systems. You don't really need to study hard for this, but if Unix based OS is your main machine, it will be a lot easier. Please take some time to hit the subscribe button. Our goal this year is 10,000 subs. Please hit the subscribe button, and hit that subscribe button. Next, we have Security Plus, and that is an entry-level certification that validates foundational knowledge in areas as network security, cryptography, and risk management. Security Plus will teach you how to secure online devices. Next, we have Google dorking, and that is a technique that uses advanced search operators to search for information that is not typically indexed by search engines. This can be used to find sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, and other confidential data. There are many resources available online that can help you learn how to use Google dorking. One of the most popular resources is the Google Hacking Database, also known as GHDB. And the GHDB is a collection of Google dorks that have been compiled by security researchers. Now, I've noticed that this is a lot on resumes. We have the CEH, and the CEH is going to give you exposure to weaknesses and vulnerabilities in systems, which help you to understand the attacker's perspective, and you'll know about cyber attacks and how they're performed. Once you have a fundamental understanding of cybersecurity, it is important to gain hands-on experience, and a good way to do that is try HackMe, which is a great platform for doing this. It offers a variety of beginner-friendly challenges that will allow you to learn and practice at the same time. You can perform both blue and red teaming exercises on Try HackMe, which will give you a well-rounded experience. Additionally, the challenges on Try HackMe are based on real-world scenarios, which help you to prepare for a career in cybersecurity, cloud, VM, Docker, and databases. In order to become proficient in the areas of virtual machines, Docker, cloud computing like AWS, Azure, and databases is essential to have a firm grasp of underlying concepts. This includes understanding how VMs function, how Docker containers are utilized, the different cloud computing platforms, and the various types of databases. Once you have a solid understanding of the fundamentals, you may begin to master the more complex topics. This includes learning how to use VMs and Docker containers to create and manage applications, how to use cloud computing platforms to deploy and scale applications, and how to use databases to store and manage data. You can learn about these topics from Try HackMe and other open source resources. Now, lastly, you're going to also want to know, a fundamental knowledge on scripting languages. In addition to learning the fundamentals of cybersecurity, it is important to learn scripting languages such as Bash and PowerShell. Scripting languages can also be used to automate tasks such as deploying security tools, managing security logs, and responding to security incidents. Bash is a scripting language that is used primarily on Linux and Unix systems. PowerShell is a scripting language that is used primarily on Windows systems. Both Bash and PowerShell are powerful tools that can be used to automate a wide variety of tasks. So please let me know what you think about this cybersecurity roadmap in 2024. Was it helpful? Was it not? Do you want me to go second, third level into what I talked about? Please let me know in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.